Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be trading some NQ and we'll be using the pulse indicator primarily, and these are the settings I'm using. So if you're interested, I'm using signal 1, signal 4 and a few filters to filter out potentially false signals, and of course using CVD, using support and resistance. And if you're wondering what pulse is, it's our latest release, it's our newest indicator, also based on order flow. But the market's just opened and the volatility is picked up, as you can see by the volume. And yeah, we'll just see how the session goes and unfolds, and hopefully we'll get a few wins and a few good signals from this indicator.
Order placed.
Okay guys, we got an alert for a pulse signal and we've gone long here. Now why have I done this? Well, we're at a support level, as you can see there, and the delta's picking up, and of course we get pulse signal, we're going to listen to it. You know, the price is somewhat downtrending, you could say, but because this is at a level of support, I think it's more meaningful that way and a signal worth listening to. So as you can see, we are actually pulling back up. The delta is somewhat recovering here, and yeah, we're in the green at the moment. Hopefully we hit our TP quite soon, but if it is just a pullback, you know, we might pull back to that level, the take profit level, and the downtrend continues from that point onwards. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. But I do want to point out that I have the engulfing candle only filter on, so the signals that we are going to see are only going to be shown on candles that are big and engulfing, and these engulfing candles tend to have a lot of buying or selling within them, and that's why they're engulfing and colored. But we actually hit a take profit here, guys. Our first trade of the day is a win. We create a new support level at that swing low. Perfect, and we'll see how this plays out. The delta is increasing. We're approaching some resistance levels now ahead. We're going to wait for the next pulse signal and see how it goes. Right guys, we get a signal. Okay, so I've entered straight away into this one, market order of course, and we are now going short. So the delta is kind of neutral there, and now it's starting to dip in this downtrend. So the price pulled back, and this is a great area to go back in because we get a pulse signal on a pullback in a downtrend. So that's a good sign, and there's a lot of selling as shown by the engulfing candle and a pulse signal, of course, which we're going to listen to. All of our entries are going to be based on this indicator, and I'm feeling good about this one. I think it's a prime position to go in. The price kind of reached a resistance level, but it got rejected at that point. So as you can see, it's already gone down, and this might be a quick one. Let's see.
Order cancelled.
Okay, we do here take profit very quickly there. So great trade again. Pulse signal. We went from a long position to a short position. The delta is decreasing now, and it looks like the downtrend's continuing on from here. So perfect trade. I'm really happy about that. Let's see if we can take more shorts. Okay, we get an alert. Gonna put limit order up here.
Order placed. Order placed.
And we get filled. Okay. Another short position, guys. We get a pulse signal, another bearish one. I wasn't too sure about that one. I used the limit order this time because the delta is neutral, but in fact it does look like it favors the upside. So I'm not too sure about this trade, and we're taking a gamble on this one. We're going to go in anyway because we are in a downtrend, so we're kind of trading in the direction of the trend, so that's important. And the likelihood is that price is going to continue downward as it is now, but we'll see. Okay, that's interesting, guys. We get another pulse signal again, a bearish one. So this is really good because we're in a short position, kind of going sideways at the moment, and delta completely neutral. So there's no telling where price is going to go, other than the fact that we're getting bearish signals from pulse, and that's more confidence telling me that price is actually going to go down. That's 2 consecutive bearish signals in a sideways market, you know, the likelihood is that price is going to follow that direction. So this definitely boosts my confidence in this trade. Okay, a lot of volatility here. Gonna move the stop loss up closer to the entry point.
Order
and
cancelled.
We here take profit. Beautiful trade. Once again, right at that support level, we had our take profit. A great area to exit because there might be a bullish reaction here, and we don't want to have our take profit below that, as price may never reach it. So great trade, another win. That's 3 wins in a row, guys. Okay, another pull signal, this time a bullish one, and I am going to listen to this one because price actually made a double bottom at that support level that we took profit at just previously. We made a double bottom, the price could not breach the support level. The delta was neutral, now curving upwards, which is very important. It's kind of transitioning to a bullish phase, and as you can see, the price is actually starting to pump a little bit. The volatility coming in now, and of course the pull signal telling us there's a huge amount of buying, an engulfing candle of course as well. So these are really good signs that price is gonna reverse here, because you know, when price can't breach a support level, and in fact it tests it numerous times, and after this double bounce you get these engulfing candles with a lot of buying within them. Those are really good signs that price is going to continue upwards now. So let's move our stop loss close to our entry point. I like to do this just to minimize potential losses. So we should be hitting our take profit here at any moment. As you can see, the candles are really jumpy at the moment. That means there's a lot of trades going on, a lot of volatility, and that's when you can see an erratic movement in the market.
Order cancelled.
Okay, another win, guys. So we're gonna here take profit. Another beautiful trade. Really good signals from Pulse. Okay, another signal. We went in straight away. We're gonna take another long position. Due to this delta it's extremely bullish. Even on those big engulfing red candles, you can see that the delta is mostly green and mostly positive. So if there was going to be a reversal or a pullback here, or anything significant to the bearish side, we would see much more red delta, and we're not seeing that. So for me, it's an easy decision to go long here on this bullish pulse signal. So our TP is up at these resistance levels. Good area to exit, of course. Might see another bearish reaction at those levels like we have been, but look at this delta, guys. Super bullish. Great indicator. Again, the delta is showing you the difference between the market buyers and the market sellers, the difference between the bids and the asks. And when the market buyers are in control, you're going to see a lot more green delta. So even on red candles, if you see a lot of green delta, the market buyers are in control, and the market buyers are usually the aggressive buyers, which usually control the direction of the market. So it's a really good indication of where price may go, or if price is ready to pull back. And to me, this is just telling me that it's not ready to pull back yet. It's not ready to reverse downward because it's completely green. It's really uptrending, and it's going to continue upwards. So I use it in most of my strategies because it's a good confluence factor. And of course, Pulse is the driver in our decision making today, but CVD is a good addition to help your decisions. And the Pulse signals have been absolutely fantastic. If we win this trade, guys, it's going to be 100% win rate. We'll make this our last and final trade of this session. It'll be a quite successful session if we do win this one. But yeah, we're waiting for some volatility to pump in here, and we may just have gotten it just now. Moving our stop loss up just a little bit. Move it up again, close to our entry point. Let's see if we can hit this TP, guys. Now, normally I don't like to move the stop loss to the entry point or above the entry point because more often than not, it just gets hit. For some reason, price returns to it, so I just don't like it. Order cancelled. Beautiful. So we're gonna win that trade again. That's 5 wins. I think it's 5 wins, guys. Beautiful trades from the pulse indicator on NASDAQ. Low time frame scalping. Guys, if you want this indicator, please get access on our website. The links will be in the description, and we'll call it there for this session. Guys, if you want any of our free indicators, also on our website. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, a comment, please subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.